Have you ever walked up on DEF and wondered if it was any good or not?
Hello and welcome. DEF has a shelf life of 1 year to 18 months. So how do you know if you have bad DEF? Well, first of all, DEF should be clear in color. Now, if it's foggy or it has a different color, chances are it's either old or it came in contact with something else. So if you are in doubt, there are tools that you can use, inexpensive tools that can save you thousands of dollars and give you a peace of mind. So how can we make sure that we are actually using the proper DEF in our vehicle? There are, again, several tools, many tools out there on the market that you can use. Now, I just have a couple of them here that some people prefer to use this tool here, which is pretty simple. And if two discs actually floats, and you have a level line here, if it floats, it's going to be right at 32.5, and that's what you need for proper DEF for your vehicle. I prefer to use the fractometer. It works well for me, and it comes with several gadgets and suction tubes. And what you can do is just suck it out of your jug here, and make sure that you put just enough on the lid here, and make sure you're going to be in a well-lit area. Just going to rub it on the lid. I'm going to put the cover down on it and make sure it just spreads all over the lid, and then you just look through it.
This is just a sample scale of the refractometer. Now, this is not what I'm looking at, but I just want to show you this to show you what the scale looks like. And the blue, or what I'm looking at, it's going to be right up here, and it's going to go right across this area right here. When you're checking your DEF, this is what you want to read. And my line is coming right across here at 32.5. That's where you want to be. So all of this is blue, and this is white down here.
This tool works best for me. Like I said again, there are several tools out there on the market that you can use. So choose the one that fits you best. Now, DEF never pour down the sink, never down the drain, not even on the side of the highway. Now, if you discover that you have water inside of your DEF system, just make sure you take distilled water and actually flush it out, and you can put back new DEF or the proper DEF back in your system, and you should be good to go. Now, let's just say you discover that you have diesel fuel, hydraulic, antifreeze, windshield washer fluid. Let's just say that you discover that you have that. Contact your local dealer and have them to give you the proper directions on how to repair that vehicle. Do not attempt to operate your vehicle knowing that your tank is contaminated. Freezing temperatures will not harm DEF, but keep in mind DEF is 2/3 water. It can freeze and not be damaged. DEF can actually freeze inside the tank, and it will definitely expand. So that's why you do not want to overfill like this guy did. Now, the system is set up on the truck to actually accommodate for this issue. So there's nothing that you, the operator, have to do to keep this, take care of frozen DEF. Now, with that said, do not add any additives or any kind of chemicals to your DEF to keep it from freezing. The only thing it would do is damage your exhaust system. Well, the most important item for your exhaust system is proper diesel exhaust fluid. That is very important. And then this way, you have a peace of mind knowing you have the proper fluid inside of your system. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to come out. Take care, and God bless.